constant theme of me feeling like I'm behind. It is Monday morning and I'm feeling so good because yesterday, Sunday, I had such a productive day. I deep cleaned my condo, I did laundry, I edited and uploaded a video, I meal prepped a little bit. It was like one of my most productive Sundays in a very long time, or weekends overall. I rested on Saturday, but then I was super productive yesterday on Sunday. I posted about it on Instagram and I don't want it to come off that I'm like showing off my accomplishments, because yesterday was definitely like a super productive day and I definitely don't do that many things all in one weekend. I also have off days and I'm not that productive every single day, but I was super proud of myself yesterday and posted it on Instagram. I got a couple messages asking how I stay motivated, and a quote that I saw is that motivation comes from action. So I motivate myself by accomplishing one task and then just keep going and push yourself to keep going and using that as your motivation to bring you forward. And that's how I got so much done yesterday. I was like on a high because I felt so good. And it's continuing into today because I woke up and it's so nice and sunny. The sun just makes me so happy. You've probably heard me talk about it before in vlogs. And it's just so nice and clean. Like I vacuumed and Swiffer mopped my floors and it just feels so good. Everything feels so good because the floor is clean. I had some laundry here that was drying on my drying rack that I put away already. And now I'm gonna head into the kitchen. I'm gonna make my coffee and I'm gonna put away the dishes and empty the dishwasher that I ran last night. All right, I have my coffee, glass of water. I'm sitting down and it is a work day, so I'm gonna get started on work, but just getting up and forcing myself to like get started right away by first I washed my face and brushed my teeth. I was on that momentum, and then I tidied up the kitchen while I was making my coffee, and now I just feel motivated and like I can start my work. So I'm gonna open my computer, log on, and I'm gonna just power through my morning. I'll probably stop and make some breakfast at some point, but for now I'm not too hungry. I'm just gonna have my coffee, and it's a beautiful sunny day. I just love sitting at my desk in the morning when it's like this bright and sunny. Sometimes I'll have to kind of partition the blinds a little bit so that it's not right in my face or like on my screen, but I'm loving it. Oh, and I've been wearing my glasses a lot more because I've been at home just staring at my screen all day, every day. So these are my glasses. They're from Bon Look. I got them at the Eaton Center. I don't know if I love the way that they look, but maybe it's just me not being used to them or used to seeing myself in glasses, but it's been a couple hours, had a couple conference calls, did a bunch of emails, and now I'm taking a break to have my first little snack breakfast of the day. So I had some pre-cut strawberries in my fridge that I washed and prepared. Even though I'm just at home, I still like to meal prep a little bit because it helps me eat the food in my fridge before it goes bad, and also eat healthy because it's like quick and easy. Then I'm gonna put some vanilla Greek yogurt on top and then top it with Harvest Crunch granola. So this is a little breakfast that I like to have pretty often, but I also know that I will be hungry for like lunch in a little bit, so I'm kind of making brunch on the side. So over here I have some potato wedges that I'm gonna put into the oven once it preheats. This is all that I had left, but these are the Alexia oven wedges fried potatoes, and my brother got these and recommended them for me. I also really like from this brand their sweet potato fries, really, really good. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven. It's just a little bit, and I'm gonna make it with avocado toast and an egg. This is gonna take a little while to make. The potatoes take like, what, 20 minutes or so? Yeah, about 20 minutes. So I wanted to preheat and get that started. Even though I'm gonna be eating this, I know I'm gonna be hungry in a little bit. It's much later now and I'm going for a walk because I just need to get out of here. I need some fresh air, and I've been inside working all day. So time to go for a walk. had a productive morning so far. I got up early and I didn't want to get out of bed, but I had a few things that I wanted to get done urgently and I just like had on the top of my to-do list. So I actually brought my computer into bed with me. Honestly, I don't recommend working from bed all the time, but today I just needed it and was able to get my things off my to-do list and just like felt really good. So now I'm changed. I had a few meetings already and I've been just like powering through my to-do list. There's a few other things that I need to get done for work until my other meetings later on in the day, but I'm just taking a break. I should be eating lunch right now, but I'm gonna be having more of a snack because I ate a later breakfast. And last night I peeled a bunch of pomegranates, a bunch meaning two, but I had them in my fridge and I needed to use them. So I looked up this hack online on how to peel a pomegranate. So it was really cool. You cut it in half and then you kind of just like wiggle the pieces, loosen them up, and then you take like a spoon or something and put the piece like flat with the round side up, and then you like smack it and all the seeds come out with like a bowl underneath, obviously. I'll put the video down below. It's like a super old like YouTube how-to video, but it really helped me peel these pomegranates, and now I'm gonna eat them because the pre-peeled pomegranates are so expensive at the store because it's a pain in the butt to peel them. So I'm just gonna sit here. It feels so much better to like put on clothes and kind of get ready for the day a little bit. Even though you're just staying at home, I really find that it helps me
without being in contact with people because it's just so.
So I started this new rule with myself that I'm not allowed to turn on my TV until I'm done work for the day, and it is, what's wrong with my phone? Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button. 5:35 p.m. and I'm done all my meetings and stuff today. I want to do a little bit of work later just to catch up on a couple of emails that came in during my last meeting, but I need a break and I'm gonna turn on my TV and snack on some almonds until I figure out what I want to eat for dinner because I can't make dinner decisions when I'm hangry. So I need to eat something first. So almonds are my healthy choice, but turning on my TV. I don't have cable or anything, so I just watch like vlogs and Netflix and stuff on my TV. But I've been so good and so productive all day that this is the moment that I'm looking forward to in quarantine. Good morning. I just finished washing my face and brushing my teeth. That is like the only consistency in my morning routine. Ah, my hair is stuck. I was actually just going to rave on this thing, but my hair got stuck. That wasn't fun. Sure, you push all your hair out of your face. I've had this Jade Roller in my fridge for like 2 years and I haven't ever consistently used it, but I've recently seen a lot of people on Instagram use it as part of their morning routine and it honestly feels so good. I don't really know what it does. Like I understand that the cooling of this would make your face less puffy in the morning, and then the little side for underneath your eyes. It just feels good. Kind of wakes you up. So currently percolating my coffee and I am starting my day. I've actually had such a relaxing morning because yesterday I got a ton of work done, so I'm feeling better about it. If you didn't notice the constant theme of me feeling like I'm behind on work all the time, that's just my life and the perfectionism in me, but I feel good. Also, from my last vlog when I cleaned up my fridge and I had these old packages of baking soda that were in my fridge. I don't know if they're bad because they were open and like deodorizing my fridge, but I replaced the one in my fridge and my freezer because I didn't know that you're supposed to change them frequently. So I hadn't changed it in like a year, so I decided to change them, and now I have 3 that are like old, but I was thinking about putting them into like a jar, like opening up the 3 packages and using them for cleaning, because I used some to clean the inside of my sink last night when I was cleaning up my dishes, just when I was like finished, I, you know, ran the hot water, there was some soap residue, and then just sprinkled some of this and then wiped it down with the sponge, and it is so shiny. So I really think that I can use these old packages of baking soda for cleaning, because I know baking soda is a great product for cleaning. Anyways, thanks for chatting with me. My coffee's ready. This is my morning coffee. And I wanted to mention, as I sip some of my coffee, this sweater is literally my favorite sweater that I own. I love crew neck sweaters because I just find like I don't feel suffocated by a hood, and they're just like so much easier to wear. And this one is so soft. It is by the brand Uniqlo, and my brother actually bought it for me for Christmas one year, and it has Mickey Mouse on it, which I don't love nor hate, but it's just so soft. And I love this material, but I actually slept in this, and it was like fresh out of the laundry and just smelled so good, and it made me so happy, and I wanted to share it. I'm not sure if they still have any on their website because of the change of season. Like, this is obviously not a spring or summer item, but if I find something down below that's similar, I will link it for you. I'm gonna drink my coffee, I'm gonna respond to some emails, and move on with my day. Just finished up a Zoom call. That's why I'm dressed up from the waist up. But now it's lunchtime and I'm taking a break. So I made a beautiful salad. So there was like mixed greens on the bottom, and then I put iceberg lettuce. I cut up some yellow pepper that I had in the fridge, cucumber, tomato, avocado, and feta cheese. And then I just dressed it with olive oil and balsamic vinaigrette. And then, just because I had more avocado and thought I wanted something like that had a little bit of carbs, I made some avocado toast. I didn't put extra tomatoes, but I did put on some cheese on top. I'm very excited. I'm pretty hungry. And like, salads are not very filling, so you need a big salad. So I'm gonna eat this and then continue my work. Today's Wednesday, so it's my busiest day because we do all of our reporting on Wednesdays. So I'm kind of feeling overwhelmed because I have like a million things to do, not only for work, but like outside of work too. But I'm trying to get it all done. But first I gotta eat. Hello, it's now Friday and I have been working away. It's been such a crazy last few days, but I'm just warming up a chocolate chip cookie. These are the world's best chocolate chip cookies. And I don't think I showed yesterday, but I got a surprise delivery of Craig's cookies. Let me get the box here. Although my cookie is warm and I want to eat it now. This is the box here of Craig's cookies. And these are the best cookies ever. I recommend that you look them up and try to get them. I don't know if it's only in Toronto. I think it is, but if you are local, Craig's cookies are the best. So this is just a plain chocolate chip cookie, and I put it in the microwave for 7 seconds, and now it's warm and gooey. Let me hold the tripod with my knees and break this open for you. Oh my god. I deserve this cookie because today has been a crazy day of work stuff. This is a Friday night dinner if I ever saw one. I have a salad that I prepared with iceberg lettuce, which has been my new favorite thing. And I cut up cucumber, put feta cheese, and a little bit of tomato. I prepared the dressing on the side here that I'm just letting sit for a second. It's olive oil and just white vinegar and then salt and oregano. So just letting that mix. And then I made chicken fingers and I'm putting them in my salad because they're crunchy and I think tastes delicious. So I think they're the perfect lazy protein to put into your salad. Dressing on first. And there we go. Dinner, very easy. So I just finished editing this vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching. I actually just got a notification that I just got a bunch of Amazon packages, so look out for my next video because I'll be unboxing those and doing a haul. But thanks so much for watching this week in my life, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye! Bye.